In this video, we are going to learn about change parameter tool. So let's start. So we'll go to modify and take change parameter tool. So here we can add two type of parameters. One is user parameter that we can do manual entry, and model parameter. When we make a model, we can see all the parameters here. So if we need to do an adjustment in that, we can do that. So I'll go with the user parameter. I'll click on the plus icon and we define one by one parameters. I'll defining the first length, and defining the length value, I'm taking here 120 and do OK. Then I'm defining the second parameter, that is width, and defining the expression for this. I'm taking length, or I'll take multiply by 0.6, do OK. Click on plus, I'll define thickness. So we'll make expression for this width, divide by 10, okay. Then we define boss dia, that will be width divide by 3. We'll add one more, boss height, and we just define this to be expression thickness multiply by 2. Again we'll go to plus and we'll define whole dia, expression will make it boss dia, divide by 2, okay. Now we'll do OK here and we make one rectangle command. I'll just take center rectangle, we'll make one center rectangle here and click. Now we'll add the dimension by pressing the letter D. We click here and we type length. We'll select this length and enter. Or I'll add a width here. Let me do undo. So I'll double click and I'll add a width here and enter. And I'll press D and add it here, length, enter. Now finish it. We'll go to extrude command. We'll enter thickness, so we'll type here thickness, select the thickness, and now we'll do OK here. We'll select this face and we make one circle that we represent as boss dia, so we'll define here boss dia, enter and finish it. So we'll select extrude command and we defining boss height. We'll select this and do OK. Now I want to cut one hole on this. We'll select this and we just make one hole at center and we define this whole dia and finish it. Now I want to cut this. We'll select this and we'll go for extrude. I want to cut this downward side. We'll move it downward side and we do OK. It will be cut that hole. So now if I change the parameter, it will be modify my part accordingly. So I'll just go to original sketch and we'll right click and edit sketch. So you can see it's 120 and 72. If I go to modify parameter and change parameter, so we can see all the parameters 120, 72, 7.2, 24, 14 and 12. So by changing this value, I'll just changing this value to be 200. My all that values has been changes according to that. Do OK and finish the sketch. Your part will be updated. So anytime you can easily update the part because all the expressions, all the dimensions are linked with the expressions. So if you modify one dimension, it will be modify remaining other dimensions also. So your part will be easily updated. Now we are going to see, after creating a model, how we can add parameter and how we can control the model. So I'll just take a new file, select the plane and we'll make one rectangle, defining center rectangle and click it. Now we'll add the dimension here and click. We'll give the name of the dimension. So this is my width portion, so I'll type in here width equals to, enter it. So this is width and this portion is my length I want to define. So I type here length equals to, enter it. We'll finish it. Now we'll add some depth to the model, and this I want to represent as a thickness. I'll type here thickness equals to enter. Now we just select the face and we'll make one boss here. I'll just define this is equal to, like, what are the value? I'll just make it equal and say boss dia, enter it. Finish it. We'll extrude it, and let's take some length and putting here this to be my boss length equals to, let's make it 10 value and enter. I want to make one hole. I'll just select this and we just make it hole. I'll give a name here. This will be hole equals to, let's make a hole dia. Hole dia equals to, enter it and finish it. Okay, so now I'll just going to cut this part and we just cut it, do okay. So we'll just go to sketch part and we select it and edit the sketch, and we'll go to modify and we'll go for change parameters. So here you can see I have given the names, otherwise we cannot recognize it. So here even you can see the model parameter. If you hide the favorites, you can see this is your sketch and that names you have given, that is easily visible here. Okay, so you can control from here or you can go to your favorites. You can see all the values together here and we can control one by one what we want to do it. Okay, let's assign it. I said the total length, let's make it 60, and what should be the width length you want, you can control by giving the parameters. So width I given 60 and length I'm controlling. I said that should be width multiply by 2. Then I'll go for thickness, so I'm taking here length divide by 10. Here let me take boss dia, so I'm taking width divide by 2. So it won't taking syntax, it's a syntax error. Make W to be capital, enter. Boss length, how much we want, we can define it as like a height. So I'm defining length divide by 4, and for the hole what we want for the hole we can, so for hole I'm typing boss dia divide by 2, enter. So like this I got the parameters. Now if you change this parameter, all the parameter will be regulated with that, and finish your sketch. Okay, you see now height has been changed. So again if I edit this part, then get back to parameters. So if I change this again, this parameter, I'll make it to 100 and do okay and finish this. So this will be changed accordingly. So this is how we can use user parameter and the model parameters. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.